Okay everyone, welcome. So I just want to give you a quick tutorial so you know how to get around it. This is your main dashboard. Over here are your projects. So you can go here. If you want to start a new project, you click here, type in new project, or let's do something cooler. Let's say my amazing vision. And then you're going to type in, maybe put the date in. Or maybe put what this is about. You get the gist. So hit save. And now that you entered it into the project, it's going to be in your drop downs. So all your projects will be over here. You can see a bunch of mine. And the next is your module. So writer, director, producer, line producer are the 4 that are available in version 1. So just select your module. Then you're going to come down and you've got a drop down of all the assistants. So you can start where you want to start. So idea, theme development, etc., right? So our natural starting point is theme exploration. So I'm going to take you there in a second. Conversation history. So if you've already used this, like I have, then, but not for this project. So the history is connected to the project, the module, and the assistant, right? So if I go to a different project, let's go to a test. You'll see here's some conversation history. I can hit resume and it should pick up. Once you're inside, you got your brainstorming, your decisions and notes, your work document. So just to be clear, decision notes, when you're working, there'll be a little save button I'll show you in a second, and it'll save to your decision document just so you have it here. Your work document is where you can just write. You can actually do the write. So if you're working on theme exploration, maybe over here is where you just actually start typing out what the theme is. Or maybe this is where your outline is, or maybe you just start, on Act 1. But you can do it all here, and this will be your work document. You can download it in various formats, save it, you can export it to final draft formatting if you're going to do if you're going to actually write your script. Here, obviously there's some basic formatting tools here. There's an upload button. If you click this and you want to upload a document to your work document, like if you've already got something on a Word file or whatever, you can just upload it here and then you can work with it. Let's go over to how this works. Obviously, new project, you understand, support will just allow you to get a support ticket. Oh, we're trying to get out of here. Do you want to save changes? No, we don't want to save changes. But if you want to go to support, here's your little window for support. And then back here, access share. So you can share at the project level. So when you send access to somebody, sample@gmail.com, you're going to add them to, this is project access. So this will let them into your project. They'll be able to see all the stuff that you see. So you just want to be mindful that they get access to project level. So anything on your project. Let's go in and let's start with theme exploration. So obviously all the assistants have been trained, so they're going to walk you through, ask you questions to make this easy, to help you get the results you're looking for. So theme exploration, what's the basic premise of your story, film or television idea? So for this, I'm just going to say dog learns to surf, then enters a contest to save their fun. Cool. Over here, I'm going to send. Delightful and heart-warming premise. So it's going to give us feedback. It's going to continue to ask questions. So I just want to call your attention to a couple things. Number one, here's your save button. So if you hit save, you're going to add it to your decision document. So now it should be here. So as you're working, if some of the results and some of the work you're doing, you actually want to save it, then you can just click the little save button and then it'll put it there. And then you can obviously copy paste what you want over into the work document. And I'll have that there. Save. Yes, I want to save them. So now I've got my decision notes. Then over my work document, I've got what I was working on. I'm going to go back to brainstorming, and I'm just going to keep going. Last couple things I want to call your attention to is this. If you get stumped and you're stuck, just click this little light bulb, and it'll prompt to give you a suggestion, and then it'll help you. And then this one is obviously for refreshing and stopping. So basic stuff. Fill out a support ticket if you need help.